Coming back from
He
a
is.
loss, you know.
But Captain Al right here is like, no, you are not. Ooh, the pair.
Oh my God! Somebody clip that.
Focus on the match on hand. So, nice parry.
Alrighty, these
Maybe the
beautiful
Falco
parries, yeah.
is better for him, but
Falco may be better, but the problem is that Falco is also a lot weaker than Cloud.
yeah.
Of course,
Falco
his aerial
would be a lot easier
mobilities.
to kill.
Oh man, Pokepen just double parry. He's like, you know
double
what?
Parry into, you know what? Here's
Yeah.
a forward smash.
Il y a vraiment zéro hitbox sur ce.
J'avais cru vraiment que l'expression de choc du... Oh là là, sur le connard. Oh le fait. Pardon. Excusez-nous, Aaron.
Called him out for it, understood, listen, probably not going to be able to get a grab out of this.
For my friends trying to set up for it, because I see him trying to throw out that egg a lot. And it's really, is he just testing him, or is he just trying to like wait for him to like approach in?
Is it Big Brian or is it just Wolf?
Wolf laser.
Yeah, Wolf laser.
Oh, nice. Parry into finishing touch. Cheeks actually coming back from the losing end of that game.
I don't even feel like he's gotten touched. It might be a long-awaited 0 to death, of course.
So it would seem.
Oh, as soon as I say that.
Quite. Looks like a Ganondorf option.
Parry into forward smash. Oh.
But he just hasn't played like good
Oh,
players.
Oh my God, he just flexed in this one.
Oh my God, flexing him, 89%.
Up till not quite taking the stock.
That parry. There it is, the parry. I almost got afraid for a second that Ty was going to hold it.
He got out of there, but heavy jab coming out. Another accidental angle. I know that was.
Parry. Oh, that was great. That was great. All right, going on to game 3.
Now just playing footsie, trying to look for something right here. Forwarder, trying to reach the ball in. And the parry KO punch, taking it.
With the directional air dodge. Retaking center stage with Elite Shield.
Oh, the parry into up tilt! Yo, man, you was hit by the Umahara Classic. Revenu de ce grand def.
Facile, facilement la moitié du cast.
Oh
là là, au jeu!
Faut que tu reprennes tes distances, faut arrêter de frapper dans le tas, c'est dangereux!
Ouh, c'est pas passé.
On sent qu'il y a un changement. Oh là là!
Dead? No. The jump.
He would have lived anyway.
Oh, this God.
Able to get tricky when when Ally tries to approach him. Very good stuff from Isam, man. I love this counter pick. It's definitely the right choice so far.
And you see how... No way.
Did he just... did he...
He
was
just low profile because he was crouching.
What?
Making it forever. Ace is good. No. Good carry to up tilt. Wow.
We should go for down there. Yeah, this is left. Oh, that was a good parry.
Ray is really on point with these parries.
Yeah, these parries are super good. And
Last
case just trapped on the ledge.
He just needs a side
Oh
my God! Parry God!